wish I had a sliding miter saw to get these 6-inch and 8-inch boards. So I didn't get to show you the welding, but basically I just took these 3 plates that I cut off of this strip because I don't have any big plate steel, and we decided we wanted to make the heart about 16 inches, I think it was. So I just took these 3 sections, grounded them off pretty good, and then kind of laid them together and made a plate. In the future, I won't do this again because it did require a lot of grinding. And when I got it done painting, that was one of the problems, that you could see the waves from the welding and the warping a little bit. So it just didn't turn out as like I'd like. And then what I was doing next was just playing around with the stencils here, different sizes, kind of to determine how big I wanted. And we ended up with the bigger one like this that was like 16 inches or so. Ended up not liking this cross at all, so I sanded it down, got rid of it. I made another one for the actual Sacred Heart. I stained this one a little bit lighter and just used one of those vinyl stencils that I had and made it a wall hanging. Put one of those little picture hangers on the back. Anyway, as always, we thank you for watching. Get outside, do something, and we'll catch you in the next video.